Good afternoon class. We are going to proceed with the physics practical, and today the aim of our practical is to find the focal length of a given convex lens by plotting 1 by u and 1 by v. As you people have learned in the ray optics that we are getting two types of distances. First is your u and second is v. Each have their respective meaning. That means the u term will represent the value which is known as object distance and the v will represent the value which is known as image distance. So on the basis of these two distances, we are going to find out the focal length of the given convex lens by the plotting graph of 1 by u and 1 by v. Now we are proceeding with what are the apparatus we are required for the performing of this experiment. We need an optical bench, 3 uprights, 2 needles, given convex lens as well as a meter scale. Now the basic formula which we have to use by performing this experiment is the lens maker formula, and that formula we are going to use here, which is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by v. Now after proceeding with the calculation part, we just proceed that what are the outcomes we are getting on the basis of these experiments and we are going to perform. So before that, we are going to proceed with just for the determination of the rough focal length of this given convex lens. Suppose this lens we are getting it as a convex lens, and you people can see that the surfaces are bulging outside from both the sides. So with the help of this given convex lens, we are going to first find out the rough focal length of this lens. So the method we are going to use here just for the determination of rough focal length of this given convex lens is here we are going to use a meter scale, and as an object we are going to use a source of light just for the determination of the rough focal length of this given convex lens. So we are going to proceed. As you people can see that I have placed a paper which will be act as a screen, and the light ray will be incident from the source, and you people can observe that the image will be formed of that particular source on this screen. Yes, here you people can see the measurement part, that at exact 50 centimeter the image will be formed clearly on this given screen, and if we just remove that distance either in the upward or downward direction, the image will form the blur one. So that is why we are going to fix it at 15 centimeter, and from here you people can see the observation part that at exact 15 centimeter we are getting a clear image of this source on the screen. So we are going to calculate first the rough focal length of this given convex lens is 15 centimeter. Now on the basis of this apparatus which we are going to use performing this experiment, apparatus we are using, the first one is optical bench. So this is the optical bench in which we have placed a wooden scale right from 0 to 100 centimeters. So you people can see the overall measurement on this wooden scale on the basis of this optical bench. We are using 3 uprights here. These are the 3 uprights we are using for this experiment, and 2 needles we are using here. One will be treated as an object needle and second one will be treated as an image needle, and these are the 2 needle holder, and here we are using a lens holder just to hold that particular lens of 15 centimeter. So I hope so till the apparatus part it is clear to each one of you that what are the apparatus we are going to use just for the performing an experiment based on this convex lens. Now we are going to proceed the procedure part, that how we can find it out. So for the procedure part, first what we have to do, we have to set up these uprights in this given wooden optical bench. So I am going to insert these uprights one by one. First for the object pin, second one for the lens, and third one for the image. So you have to simply insert these uprights for all the 3 lens, object pin and image. Now we are going to set up these pin holder. First for the object pin, Second, we have to place the lens holder. And at last, we have to insert that image pin here. So these are the two pins we are using. Now first, for the procedure part, we have to place or fix the distance of this object pin at 0 centimeter. So you people can see on the measurement part that the object pin will be fixed at exact 0 centimeter. Now next, as we people have already calculated the rough focal length of this given convex lens, and we are getting the rough focal length as 15 centimeter. So on the basis of this given formula, we have to place that lens at a distance of 2f just for the determination of the focal length of this given convex lens. So the 2f distance will be approximately equivalent to 30 centimeters. So we are going to place that lens with the help of lens holder at a distance of 30 centimeter. So we have to fix that given convex lens with the help of this lens holder, and the object distance is already fixed at 0 centimeter. So the object pin at 0 centimeter and the lens or the convex lens is at a distance of 30 centimeter. Now first, what exactly you have to do? You have to see from the other side of the lens, that is from the image side of the lens, that the inverted image is formed of this given object pin. You people can see an inverted image is formed of this given convex lens. Okay, so we have to place that object pin at 0 centimeter fixed, and the lens will be fixed at 30 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to insert this image pin in such a way that the height of both the object as well as image pin is approximately equal with respect to each other. Now what exactly we have to do? We have to remove that parallax error with the help of this image pin. Now what procedure we have to do for this? Basically we have to set up that image pin in such a way that both the object pin as well as image pin will coincide tip to tip with respect to each other. And that setup we are going to proceed now. I am going to show you that how we have to remove that parallax, and you people can see that how these two pins will coincide with each other. Some adjustment you people can do on the basis of this height or left or right side movement, just to remove that parallax between these two pins. Now you people can see that both the object and image pin will coincide with each other, and tip to tip coincide they will, and according to that the parallax has been removed. So we are getting the two distances on the basis of this given experiment. The first one, right from the object pin to the lens, the distance will be denoted by u, which will be known as your object distance, and from the lens to the image pin, the distance will be treated as v, which will be known as your image distance. Now on the basis of this, we are going to show how we have to represent it on the help of, or with the help of, observation table. So I am going to show you the observation table here. First we have to show serial number, second position of the object pin. So as we will place the object pin at 0 centimeter distance, so definitely we have to mark that distance at 0 centimeter. The unit should be mentioned on this given table so that there will be no direction of the marks by representing those curves. The second is position of the convex lens. So the position of the convex lens, you have to fix it at 2 centimeter. So it is already given in the question, and according to that, you have to place the value of those convex lens. So the lens we have placed at 2 centimeter, that should be mentioned at 30 centimeter. Now the position of the image, as people can see, the parallax has been removed at a distance of 58 centimeter. So we have to take that distance 58 centimeter and the lens is already placed at 30 centimeter. So 30 minus 58, it becomes 28 centimeter. So we have to place that position of the image pen at 58 minus 30, that is 28 centimeter. So the value of u we can find it out by subtracting both these two terms, as we have mentioned that the object pen distance is a, convex pen distance is b, and image pen distance is c. Now for the determination of object distance u, we have to use the formula a minus b. That means we have to subtract those terms and we are getting it as the lens position is 30 and the image position and the object position is 0 centimeter. So 30 minus 0, the object distance u, we are getting it as 30 centimeter only. And similarly for v, that means from lens to image distance, we are getting the distance as 58 minus 30, that is 28 centimeter. Now the next column, as we have to find the focal length of this given convex lens by the help of 1 by u and 1 by v. So we have to place these two distances also on the basis of their respective units. So we are using those two terms, 1 by u and 1 by v. As we have already calculated the value u and v, so we have to simply reciprocate and show it on the observation. Now, for the theory part, as we have learned the concept of ray diagram on the basis of the chapter ray optics, that when an object is placed and light ray is incident, particularly from focus, so there is no any deviation of the light ray. So the straight path we are going to show for the first ray which is being incident from the object. Now the second ray we are going to show that if a light ray passes parallel to the principal axis, so definitely that particular light ray will always pass through the focus. So the image will be formed. Here we have shown an object pen and this will be the image pen. So an inverted image of this object will be shown in this given diagram. Now if you have placed those values of 1 by u and 1 by v on this given observation table, so you have to plot a graph between these two terms, which are your 1 by u and 1 by v. So we have to place those values 1 by v on y-axis and 1 by u on x-axis, and people are getting a straight line graph, and on the basis of these graphs we can find out the overall value of this given